We're living in a world of spooky technology, communication with disembodied people, objects with intelligence, clairvoyant adverts that claim to predict our future needs, invisible entities in our everyday lives which work through hidden means and mysterious rules.
To explore this, we curated projects and examples into a book and experimented with critical reflections through making. This talk covers a few glimpses of our process, what we found, and two main ways we think spooky technologies framing can be valuable in design research.